everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy, close to my heart independent consultant, and today I am going to run through a technique with you. It's called paper piecing. Now, I read a blog from some close to my heart consultants, and they did a blog hop using this technique. So I thought maybe I'd share it with you guys. It looked really fun. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get... Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, I probably should have explained what paper piecing is. It is when you stamp an image, so we're going to use this one because it's a very good image to use, and then you stamp out the image again on some cardstock or some B&T paper, so background and texture paper, and you piece it. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, I guess. You put it all together and it creates a different effect that you wouldn't be able to get by colouring in. Alright, so let's go ahead and do some of that. Now I'm going to stamp that image. Let's have a go at doing the leaves first. So I've stamped them out on there and I've stamped them out there. So now we have to carefully cut them out. And that's why these scissors are great for that. And what I might do is also stamp it on some Pixie, so give it a bit of a contrast. That's essentially what you're doing. Now we're going to go and we're going to stick them all down, and I'm going to use liquid glass for that. Now it is easier with tweezers, especially these little pieces. There you go. So you see how you've got a different effect that you wouldn't normally get if you were to colour them in. Alright, so I'm going to cut that out and cut these out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to stick these in here. Alright, so that is the technique. Okay, there is my flower. It's ready to pop on a page or on a card. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Alright, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye!